Welcome to BabyBlab. I'm gonna show you guys today how to change diapers. So, this guy is turning today 3 months. It's gonna be our first time of the day to change the diaper, but in a different scenario. So he didn't piss, he pooped. So I'm gonna show you guys some techniques for new parents. That's what I use for myself. First of all, that's what we're gonna have. A diaper already opened, as you can see. It's easier for me, just leave it open, the diaper. Regular baby wipes, but it's wet with hot water. So let's see the problem we're gonna be facing right now for the first time of the day, first time changing the diaper in a different scenario, which is poop. Okay, so let's see how we do it. Stick up with me. As you guys can see, this is gonna be our volunteer today. This is Zaid. Okay, he just pooped. Right, Zaid? And we're gonna be changing his diaper right now. So let's go for that. Yes. Let's change the diaper. Let's see who you are. Which dog's gonna be alive? So gonna check his arms now. Oh, that's a lot. That's it. Big. So that's what I was going to show you guys, how to change diaper. And the volunteer was Zaid, and he's ready, fresh to go. Right, see you guys.